Let's learn how to keep it happy and healthy. Alocasia Polly loves bright, indirect light. Think of the dappled sunlight filtering through a rainforest canopy. Avoid placing your plant in direct sunlight. The intense rays can scorch its delicate leaves. A north or east-facing window is usually ideal. If you only have a south or west-facing window, use a sheer curtain to diffuse the light. You'll know your Alocasia Polly is getting enough light if its leaves stay a vibrant green, and it continues to grow new leaves. Alocasia Polly needs well-draining soil that retains some moisture. A good potting mix consists of equal parts potting soil, perlite, and peat moss. Water your Alocasia Polly thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Don't let the soil completely dry out. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is fatal for the plant. Always check the soil moisture before watering. During the winter months, reduce watering as the plant's growth slows down. Section 4. Temperature and humidity. Recreating the tropics at home. As a tropical plant, Alocasia Polly prefers temperatures between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat sources like radiators. Humidity is also crucial for this plant. Aim for a humidity level of 60% or higher. You can increase humidity by grouping plants together, placing a humidifier nearby, or setting the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water. Misting the leaves can help temporarily, but it's not a long-term solution for maintaining humidity. Section 5. Ongoing care, food, pruning, and repotting. Feed your Alocasia Polly with a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength once a month during the growing season, which is spring and summer. Prune any yellowing or damaged leaves by cutting them off at the base of the stem. This helps redirect the plant's energy to new growth. Alocasia Polly typically needs to be repotted every 1 to 2 years, or when you see roots circling the bottom of the pot. Choose a pot that's only slightly larger than the previous one. By following these care tips, you'll be able to enjoy the unique beauty of your Alocasia Polly for years to come. Remember, a little attention goes a long way in keeping this tropical treasure thriving.